Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Omolo kanyo sadek mana kaka nasingo ni ka omolo sadek tabiro duogo kae koda ng'end weche ma kinde ma wayude weche makamago. Mokwongo ka uthund wechego. Kweth mobalo kod piny owacho chako ayanga limbe margi e gwenge ma Ukambani.
Wanaumia kama Wakenya wenzao. Kwa hivyo ndio tunasema kwa kauli moja, wakati umesalia mdogo, sasa tujikomboe.
Jatend migao Wycliffe Oparanya olero ni atamalo 95 mag rowere mabende ne omiyo omenda mag nyota nyaka sani osechako timo ohala.
Na furaha 95% ya wale vijana ambao walifanya initial training tayari wanaendelea na biashara yao.
Tend County mano ma Migori ka omakore kod UNICEF ochako chenro mano mar bero wechego mago mag thieth e county ma Migori.
The county, we have received support in the area of mother and child care.
Bed koda nyaka giko janero mar Color TV nyinga Nelly Achieng' Ndhine jaloko mar Abela Achieng'. Wayudo kanyo ni jalok jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki ne otimo limbe gwengego mago mag Eldoret e kaunti no mano ma Baringo, kama bende ne ocholo chenro mago mopogore opogore mago mag dongruok. E kindego ma bende ne otwak kod oganda ma wuok e gwengego ne otiyo kod thuolo makamano mano mar seyo kweth mobalo kod piny owacho ka olero ni onge kod thuolo mano mar duokruok gi ng'ato, to en nitiere mana kod thuolo mano mar chwalo tije ne oganda jo Kenya.
Iko watu wengine washenzi walipewa kazi ya kusaidia rais, badala ya kufanya kazi kulingana na katiba wanaenda kushindana na rais, wanajifanya hata hao ni marais, wakafukuzwa. Saa hii wanatuongelesha na kutupigishia kelele wakiwa huko nje. Sisi hatutachukua muda wetu kujibizana na watu ambao wanakaa kama wamechanganyikiwa. Mimi unataka nijibizane na mtu mwenda wazimu? Nijibizane na watu wamechanganyikiwa? Nijibizane na kila mtu ambaye anatusi sisi? Waendelee na mambo yao, tutawanyorosha. Dawa ya siasa sio kelele. Dawa na kiboko ya siasa sio kuongea sana. Ni kura inapigwa, mmoja anashinda, mwingine anashindwa. Hawa jamaa wataona siku mrefu next year. Wakifika hapa, kabla waanze hiyo Kiingereza yao, kabla waanze matusi, uwaulize, wewe Kalonzo Musyoka ulikuwa vice president miaka 5, tuonyeshe project moja ambayo ulitetea ukiwa naibu wa rais wa Kibaki hapa Esageri. Kuna project walileta hapa? Waliwahi kufika hapa wakiwa kwa mamlaka? Waliwahi kufika hapa? Ule mwingine Rigathi ameshaifika hapa? Kuna kitu ametetea hapa Baringo? Kuna barabara ameleta? Kuna soko kama hii amekuja kusidikisha? Kwa hivyo sisi kesi yetu itaamuliwa next year na wananchi kwa debe. Hii kiburi yote tunamalizia naye hapa.
Kweth mano mabende kwedo piny owacho ka otelnegi kod ogai mano mar duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ne ochako ayanga limbe margi e gwengego mago mag Ukambani, kama bende olero ni oganda jo Kenya mathoth sani to koro chal ka gima osejok kod telo mano mar Moluor Ruto. Owacho ni oganda ojok kaluwore kod midhiero mano mabende nenore telono e migepe mopogore opogore moting'o mar somo, thieth e kind weche mamoko.
Wanaumia kama Wakenya wenzao.
Kwa hivyo ndio tunasema kwa kauli moja, wakati umesalia mdogo, sasa tujikomboe. Uchaguzi unaokuja sio uchaguzi wa kawaida. Huu ni uchaguzi wa kukomboa Kenya. Wewe mwenyewe uko tayari? Wangapi wako tayari kukomboa nchi yao? Na tukikomboa tutakuwa pamoja. Wakenya wameamua kutoka mlima Kenya mpaka pwani tunakoelekea, kutoka upande wa Northeastern, mtaona wengine hapa, kutoka Ingo Western Kenya, kila mahali Wakenya wamechoka. Ninaona, unajua wanatuogopa sana. Wakiona Kalonzo na Rigiji na JB na Eugene wanaelekea mahali, wanatoa habari. I hope hii pesa pa capitation. Sasa shule nyingi hazifanyi kazi, walimu hata mambo yao yanaharibika. Naona katibu wa elimu anasema ametoa pesa ndio by Friday, Ijumaa, leo ni Jumatano. Kama Ijumaa hiyo pesa itakuwa haijafika kwa mashule, huyo katibu wa Ruto atakuwa anaonyesha yeye ni kama mkubwa yake. Uongo mtupu. Watu wamechoka na uongo Kenya hii.
Nimeona gazeti ya Kasongo inaandika ati jana kulikuwa maandamano, Rigiji, Kalonzo hawakuonekana. Sisi bado tangaza maandamano. Mlisikia tukitangaza? Sisi tunapanga maandamano. Na ile maandamano tunapanga sio ile Kasongo amezoea ati ya siku mbili watu wanarudi. Ile maneno tunataka kupanga. Kwanza tunataka ihusishe kila mtu. Tutafutane na watu ya Linda Mwananchi, tutafutane na Gen Z, tutafutane na United Opposition, tutafutane na Wakenya, tupange vizuri. Number 2, hatutaki tu kuongea mambo ya mafuta. Hii maandamano kwa sababu itakuwa kali, we must put all the issues. Mambo ya mafuta, mambo ya ABC, mambo ya vitambulisho, mambo ya wizi. Na nikwambie Kasongo, wewe ulizoea Raila anafanya maandamano, unaita unamwingisha kwa serikali, maandamano inaisha. Ile itakuja hakuna mtu utaita atuingize kwa serikali. Ile maandamano inakuja, the demands we make will be met. Akina Murkomen, hii watu ya guns lazima wakwende. Hiyo maneno itakuwa hapo ndani. Mambo ya mafuta lazima. Mambo ya IBC lazima. Hao watu ya vitambulisho wanapeana vitambulisho haraka kwa Ruto huko kwao Rift Valley. Hapa Ukambani mnangoja mwezi 5. Huko Mlimani tunangoja mwezi 7.
Doho ne weyo thuolo jogo mabende kedo ne ratiro mane ng'anyo ka gikwedo nengo mano mamalo mar ngima masani to koro ganda yuago e pacho kae moloyo to mago mag modhi. Ne owegi thuolo kod omenda mano ma chieng' mabende romo siling 3,000 ng'ato ka ng'ato, ka bende joked ne ratich ogandago ne odonjnegi gi ketho mago mopogore opogore kanyo mabende oting'o rocho chenrogo mago mabende ne owinjore odhi nyime boma ma Nairobi kocha rocho chenro mag wuoth e kind ketho mamoko.
For police station, each of the accused person shall be awarded a cash bill of 3,000. The issue of proving the kind of offense shall be raised during trial as this forms part of the evidence to be tendered in court. We shall have a mentioned date for the trial and supply of written statements and all documentary evidence by the prosecution. In the logistics council, what is the time? It's around noon. Yes, so logistics of having them back to the station, taken to a medical facility, we don't know whether the doctor is here or not, confirm the age, have the report brought back to court, it's not practical. So they be escorted by the OCS, we shall mention tomorrow to confirm their age. If the family members are there to bring birth certificates or any document to prove their age, then well and good. And kindly counsel, advise your clients accordingly. Let us just respect the courts. We don't have to make noise to be heard. We are heard even by being silent.
Jatend migao mano mar ohelni mago matindo e pacho kae Wycliffe Oparanya olero ni atamalo 95 mago mag rowere mabende ne omiyo omenda mano mar nyota sani to koro osechako ohala kendo en ranyisi ni rowere go ne ntiere kod chenro mano makare e kinde mabende ne omigi omenda maket koda mano. Wechegi bende ne osir kod Henry Rotich.
Nina furaha nimetembea karibu Kenya mzima, nimepata reports ya hii program, and ninafuraha 95% ya wale vijana ambao walifanya initial training tayari wanaendelea na biashara yao. Na lengo ya hii project ni kuwezesha wewe kijana kufanya biashara. Biashara ndio njia ya pekee wewe unaweza kuwa tajiri. Ukisema wewe unatafuta kazi, unaenda unaandikwa shilingi 20,000 mahali, hata ufanye miaka 20, uombe Mwenyezi Mungu, na hiyo ni ndio mshahara wewe unapata kwa mwezi, shilingi 20,000. Wakitoa hiyo vitu vingine unapata 15,000. Uwezi kuwa tajiri. Wewe umepata hii nafasi, ni kama umepata hii nafasi uitumie vizuri. Ndio kwa sababu tulisema uje training. That training was very important for you to be an entrepreneur, to get proper skills for you to do your business. Na tulisema kila Mkenya ana nafasi kupitia kwa mtandao.
Kitu moja tu yenye nawaomba ndugu zangu na dada zangu, tumesoma imetosha. Si tumesoma? Pesa ya kwanza ilikuja na biashara, nasikia mmeendelea vizuri kwa report nimepewa. The only favor you can do everyone as a patriotic youth, please stick to that line ya biashara. Ndio hata tukiongea yote yenye tunaongea mwaka huu na mwaka ujao na kila kitu, mwishowe waziri anarudi kwake nyumba, mimi narudi kwetu nyumba, wewe unarudi kwako nyumba. Kama hukufanya kitu leo, unalala njaa, ama kama ulifanya vizuri, familia inashiba na unaajiri wengine na Kenya inasonga mbele. Extremely important. My only request is, because the president wants us to create employment through this project, sio ndio tunafanya? Na naona vijana wengi ni wandogo hapa. Tujaribu sana, tutumie hii pesa vizuri, tuweze kujiajiri zaidi na kuajiri wengi. I plead with you young people on matters of discipline. Sawa sawa.
Weche moko eni jagoro mongirore migao mano mar somo Julius Bitok olero ni sikunde ibiro bedo ka ioronegi omenda chakre jumani ne ikruok ne yepo mago mag sikunde juma mano manyien. Omedo ni somo kata chenro mago mag somo mano manono dhi nyime e yono makare, mak mana ni gikale midhiero mago mopogore kanyo ma oting'o nok mano mar omenda.
To reaffirm that free education policy in Kenya is still intact and is in place, despite the teething problems that we have seen in the financing gaps. I want to say that as a State Department, we are doing everything possible to ensure that we get enough resources to fund free primary, free day secondary, and free junior education in Kenya. However, we have had challenges with the fiscal space, as I presented, and it was worse during the previous government because, as you're all aware, we have been able to increase the budget that is going to education from about 490 million in 2022 to more than 700 billion in 2025. So we've been really increasing, but the demand continues to be huge. So in as far as what we expect the principals to do, despite these budget constraints, we have been encouraging our principals to stick to the budget. And if there is any school which requires additional money for some reason, they request and get approval through the County Education Board. And we have been approving requests from time to time through the County Education Board, whether they want to buy a bus, whether they want to do some additional infrastructure. That has been the procedure going forward. And I want to reaffirm that exchequer requests have been going to schools. We have confirmations, And on capitation, we have been working very hard to ensure that there are no delays. Like, for example, in last term, we released the money before schools opened. That is in January 2026. This time also, we are also releasing money for capitation as early as today, as we wait for schools to open next week. I want to confirm to the House that we have received the money from the National Treasury, and today we are going to wire the capitation money, the 23.4 billion, to all our schools around the country.
Migao mano mar thieth olando ni tuoche nyalo landore e pacho kae kanyo mabende oting'o tuono mano mar nyaldiema kaluwore kod taka mano mabende sani ok witi yono mano makare e thoth bombe pacho kae. Kane uloso kinyi mano makawuono kod jokanyono mago mabende tiyo sekta no mano mar thieth e boma mano ma Nairobi kocha jatend migao mongirore migao no Mary Muthoni ne okoni jo Kenya mathoth sani to koro nyalo biro gamo tuo mano mar nyaldiema kaluwore ni taka mago mabende igolo yudi omedore ka bende atamalo 10 kende e makinde moko iloso kata ipiedho yono makare.
To address the urgent issue of sanitation and waste crisis, Kenya today is currently facing a dual crisis. 22,000 tons of unmanaged waste are generated on a daily basis, with only 10% adequately managed. So this is leading to a rising threat of wash-related diseases like cholera, mpox, and other diseases. And the ministry has used this platform to ensure that we bring to the fore and seek support from other agencies, from the private sector, from civil society, because this issue of waste management, issues of wash-related diseases, it is not a one-man show. It is a collective responsibility for the government and equally the private sector, the civil society, so that we can ensure that there are no diseases or ailments that are getting our people at the bottom of the pyramid. We are in the middle of March, April, May rains. When the rain falls and the feces are swept off, they will come to our mainstream, the source of our waters, whether it is in taps, whether the water is coming to taps or into a well, they'll come from where it is contaminated most. And that is where we are very, very keen right now about sanitation and water. The Epuka Uchafu Afya Nyumbani campaign definitely clears this. We are dealing with personal hygiene, issues of even washing of hands, as simple as that.
Don Botiasa mano mar Jubilee oyango nigi dhi bedo kod jachung' yiero mano madundo mabende sani to koro ichano e pacho kae gwenge mopogore opogore ka olero ni koma mano mar od bura mar Olkalau ne en margi kendo ber ka owenegi koma kamano kod duond bura mano mar DCP kaachiel kod duond buche siasa mabende gintiere godo e United Opposition.
But of course, it is actually a practice, or what we have done before, that if the candidate or if the leader of that particular constituency or the MP was actually from a particular party, then definitely that party should be given a chance to field the candidate. That has happened in Bere. And I think the best thing to do for purposes of unity is to actually let Jubilee field a candidate for MP Olkalau. So of course discussions will be there, but I think as far as we are concerned as a party, we are also independent as a party, and I think there are paths that we shall take as a party. Can I assure you that whether there is another candidate from any other party, there will be a Jubilee candidate. Maybe the chairman can assist there. Yes.
Yes. As you know, this Jubilee party is a party founded on the basis and the tenets of democracy. And the democracy requires that each and every body should be given an opportunity to contest any position that he or she wishes to contest. DCP and all other coalition partners are free also to have their candidates to run for Orikarau seat. But what we are saying is that the Orikarau seat has been occupied by Jubilee Party in the last 2 elections or 3 since the year 2013 up to now. It was the first of all under TNA, subsequently under Jubilee. And in the spirit of togetherness and unity, we have said since this position was held by Jubilee, it will be better for our coalition sisters to also support Jubilee in this by-election. You remember when we had the by-election in Imbere, we were able to be persuaded and we stepped it down in favor of DP, whose candidate we supported. We don't intend to field a candidate in a Mruadikri. Our sister or coalition partners will field a candidate and will find it convenient to support the candidate whom they will agree upon. And we also requested them to find it convenient to support a candidate that will be fielding in Orikarau. Of course, if they field their candidates, then we will have, or we'll cross the bridge when we get there. But
inagamo ya kikidhi mabor bang thuolo machuok aduoka kod weche moko.
Be in jalno mamanyo gige gedo motegno, mabeyo, mabudho, kendo maopodhi. Chom mana Gomikos Company Limited man kod mwandu mag gedo kama uting'o renge kaka Crown, Basco, Duracot kod Sadolin. Bende wan kod renge mag exterior kod interior makoth ok kethi, roof coatings kod wood finishes. Wanyalo kelo ni simiti modhuro kata mathoth ka idwaro. Masonry, reinforcement materials, gi professional project support and consultancy. Wayudore opposite Regnal Petrol Nyamasaria, machiegni kod County Concrete. Tudri kodwa e namba simu magin 07 14 49 56 74 0714 495674 kata 07 28 66 38 55 0728663855. Gomikos Company Limited, your trusted building partner.
Komuch to wan kore duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore, jotugo motimogi, kuonde magitimogie, to gin tuke mage mabiro. Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe. Tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo, kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime. Wayudo kanyo ni chenro mano mabende duond bura mano mar UDA nitiere godo, mano mar tiyo kod jopuonja kaka jogo mago mabende biro bedo kachung' kendo rango kaka igoyo ombulu e gwenge mago mag Makueni. Sani to koro dhi nyime golo paro mago mopogore opogore. Yangore ni jopuonja mago madongo ogolnegi chika mar mondo mi gilos kod jonyuola ema ochopi kendo rang chenro makamano.
We have seen kutoka last week this regime ya UDA imeandikia walimu wote, all ed teachers, messages, and it has started threatening our teachers that they must be involved katika siasa za UDA. Sisi tunataka kuambia walimu jambo moja, all teachers where you are, wherever you are, hiyo bahasha mnaenda kupewa, ukipatiwa beba uende nayo nyumbani, hatujakataa. Lakini ukifika nyumbani, nenda uangalie watoto wako, nenda ukumbuke wale watoto ambao waliuliwa na hii serikali, nenda ukumbuke ile damu ya Dhwake ambayo wameiba 14 billion, na uangalie ile bahasha umepewa, it is less than a quarter of your salary. Na ukiangalia hiyo bahasha, weka pesa chini, kula, do nothing. And I want to give you an assurance to all the teachers, hakuna kitu utafanyiwa. Hata ukikataa kupiga hizo simu, even if you don't mobilize, they will do nothing to you. Wachana na wao, chukua pesa, weka chini. To all teachers, don't do anything. Hakuna kitu watakufanyia. Kila mtu lazima alipe gharama. To invite our teachers, mulipe gharama yenu. Hizo bahasha munaitiwa, gharama ni kukataa kusaidiana na hii serikali ambayo watu wako wamenyanyaswa na hii serikali. Pesa yenu ya matibabu ya insurance, teachers, it is in limbo. Muko kwa shida ambayo mumeingizwa na hii serikali. Tunawaomba hizo bahasha zikikuja, maana zimeanza kupeanwa kutoka leo, muangalie ni kuhusu mbele na kesho ya wazazi wenu, ya watoto wenu ambao mmesomesha. Na wazazi ambao mko hapa, you have been mobilized kwenda kusaidia hii serikali at a time when Kalonzo Musyoka ako tayari kuchukua urais. You are being mobilized 20 people per polling station at a time sisi kama Wakamba we have a serious presidential candidate.
To bende tend county mano ma Migori ka omako rekod UNICEF ochako kanyo chenro mano mar bero wechego mago mag thieth ahinya to ne nyithindo, gino mabende osebedo ka kelo pek e kinde mago mabende mine konyore county ma Migori. UNICEF oyango ni gibiro bedo ka girango kendo giluwo wechego ma otenore kod lwenje mag udi, nono wechego mago mag ohala e kind weche mamoko.
This is about strengthening partnership, as was rightly said. We are here to visit some of these field visits to some of the health centers to see some of the good work that has been done. The three critical takeaway for us as UNICEF is about ensuring how we can better support on maternal and child health services, ensuring that the CIDPs and EADBs are able to sustain the investment that is already being made. It is also about addressing the triple threat. There is a UNICEF program, there is also a UN joint program on triple threat which addresses the SGBV, the sexual and gender-based violence, FGM, and teenage pregnancy. And the third area is about public health emergency outbreak, which also includes POSH services. So we would like to see how we can better strengthen our collaboration and support the government on few critical indicators that would really help Migori to take that leadership. And so I would
as a county, we have received support in the area of mother and child care. We have received support in areas of capacity building to our CHPs and our health staff so that we are able to respond to situations. So today we have this very powerful delegation from UNICEF to review how we have traveled together and also look at what priorities we have in Migori County. We have embarked on an ambitious plan of putting up facilities in our level 4 hostels that are for mothers and are also for newborn. Those facilities will require equipping. The health staff we have will require capacity building. They will also require other commodities. We have discussed that with UNICEF and they have promised that they will look at that because we continue building.
UNICEF touches on the core aspects of life because they touch on mothers, they touch on children, and these are the two people who bring future. If you look at the status of Migori County, teen pregnancy is very high. Amongst other counties in Kenya, I think our number is very high. And so to choose Migori County is a very good thing and we are very grateful for that. I must also thank the county government of Migori because I've learned today that they are planning to put up a rescue center in Nyatike, and it will not only deal with with the FGM. But beyond that, there are women who are beaten, there are boys who are molested. There are so many things around triple threat.
E kaunti ma Kisumu kae wayudo kanyo ni jolonya mago mabende wuok e alwora mano mar Nyanza. Sainto koro osechako chenro mano mar jiwo onagi ka ombolo kaka yono mano mar duoko chien kwan mago manok mag jogo mabende ndikore kaka jolut ombolo e gwenge mag Nyanza. Kane otelnegi koda midusa ZB Owino, jolony go ne okoni giseyudo apisi mano ma wiye kata call center e kaunti mano ma Kisumu kae kama bende gibiro bedo ka gichopo ote mano mar jiwo oganda mondo migi ka ombulu.
En gima watimo nikech onagi. Watime mondo wa protect onagi. Watime i future mar onagi. To watime onagi dhi bet kanye. Kidhi tim kura next year, wabet kod numbers mekwa. Wakauru ombulu, in kumi betino, tich mitiyono, te mondo ipush mondo jogo ka ombulu. Kach mane madhi konyowa.
Wanyiso jowa ne ombulu ni ema teri mesa. Mesa chaki chope to wachon wan kaka anyuola. Wabiri mesa gukura 400 million 4.7. Koro watemo nyiso jowa messaging teko mar ombulu. Mar ariyo wabiro gi solutions, digital solutions. Ma track no everyday kura di mowuok e gweng' mane gi mane. Mano wa develop wase achieve. Wabiro gi solution mar kitambulisho. Watimo research ma wang'eyo gweng' ka gweng' e piny Luo. No gi nying ji. No wuod ng'ane ka ng'ane to onge ID. Wuod ng'ane ka ng'ane nyako ma chi ng'ane onge ID. Wan gi data no te up to the village. Koro because one code a digital platform, yot mondo wadog mondo wa track jogi. To wamob gi to gi kaw ID. Ka gise kaw ID to waroko gi kura. Wadwa kwayo bende our political class. Waneno ka gin gi samuoyo. Akia nang'o marach. Gin ka samo chak golo ombulu to gimuoch na gik siasa. Ni kaka wadwa pogo piny ang'ango. Kar mondo jokungo kelo ombulu. Koro wakwagi. This particular time ni. Dala uchiel modongi. Giwe siasa. All MCAs. All MPs. All governors. All CSS, all people in state officials, manyalo the influence jowa, owogwoko joduo ka Luo, mondo wa mop up everyone. Bang' mano, jochak go siasa. Ng'eyo nto mar Raila, odwoko samuoyo ome jowa, sani koro gifilan piny orumo. Wakwayo mondo watema, mondo wabed gi jingo, mondo wakaw kura, mondo Nyasaye otawa, ka wabende wan gi jingo mar silaha mar ombulu.
We have over 1.4 million residents of Nyanza region with identity cards and without voters card. So we are calling them to come out and take their cards. Anything that they need this government to do for them will be determined by the kind of leaders that they choose. So if you never participated, then you should not complain about any services that the government will be offering you.
Wayudo kanyo ni familia mano mar jaduong' John Okiri kaachiel kod mama Teresia Otieno ma kodumo e Kabondo Kasipul sani to koro nitiere kod leta ka wuodgi Richard Ouma ma jahiga 30 mabende ne tiyo e apisi mano ma Nanyuki Barracks ne jolala e piny Russia kocha. Wachore ni Ouma ne tich orumone eka ne wuok e pacho kae dweche 8 mago mabende osekalo kama bende ne oyudo tich kata kamano bang' kinde machuok to familia no ne oyudo ote ni chal ka gima wuodgi no olal kata omoko e piny Russia.
Huyu mtoto yangu alitoka mwaka mpya. Lukua ako Nairobi, lakini kutafuta kazi alienda kutafuta kazi. Alisema ati anaenda huko Russia kutafuta kazi. Akienda huko Russia, sijapata maneno yoyote. Hata simu yake, tukipiga simu hawezi kupatikana. Hata kwa WhatsApp kama wanaangalia message huwezi kuona yeye. Sasa mimi naomba serikali akikubali anisaidie. Niko na uchungu sana, serikali anisaidie kwa huyu mtoto yangu kama inaweza kurudi hapa Kenya. Nione hata macho yake kwa maana sijui hata kama yeye iko, hata kama alishakufa sijui. Sasa mimi naomba serikali kama serikali anaweza kunisaidia, anisaidie nione hata macho ya mtoto yangu. Sasa mimi naomba tu serikali kama anaweza kunisaidia, anisaidie. Likuwa anafanya kwa wanajeshi hapa Kenya. Na alifanya alimaliza huko kwa wanajeshi miaka 7. Kazi iliisha, akirudi hapa nyumbani. Hapa nyumbani akakaa miaka 1. Ndio akaenda huko Nairobi kutafuta kazi.
Tuliongea na Richard mwezi wa 8 tarehe 7 mwaka jana. Alinitumia picha, alikuwa Turkey. Wakiwa Turkey akaniambia wanakula sapa then wana proceed na jani. Sasa wakifika huko Russia tena tukatumana message, nikamtext akaniambia wako sawa, wako na pesa, lakini venye wanaweza tumana huko Kenya ndio shida. Nikamwelezea tu kama ako sawa tu atafuta namna ya kutuma pesa Kenya, asikae na wasiwasi. Tena nikamtumana message nikamwambia uko aje? Akaniambia tuko lakini hatuna amani. Nikamuuliza kwani shida iko wapi? Ati huku ni ngumu. Sasa kuanzia hiyo siku mwezi wa 8 tarehe 7 mpaka wa leo, aliniambia huku ni ngumu mpaka wa leo hatujapatana na yeye. Na kama kuna shida nyingine pia tujue kama familia tukae na amani, hatuna amani.
Sasa Richard alitoka, alituambia ameenda Russia, na alituambia alikuwa smuggled, juu alisema walitolewa kama tourists. Akiwa airport alisema walilala kwa airport 2 days kama bado wanangojea wasafirishwe. Akasema sasa amefika lakini hali si nzuri, ako frontline. Sasa hiyo issue ya frontline ndio ilitutisha sana. Tukasema sasa akiwa frontline, vile alituambia ameenda frontline, sasa tu kusikia neno lolote kutoka kwake.
Gikanyo bende madikela giko mano mar mi weche manyien mag ng'end weche. Ibedo kod Otieno Majaber nyinga, Nelly Achieng' Ndine, jaloko mara Bella Achieng'.